Hello my friends, I'm John Laspina back again, the Carnivore teacher, and I want to go back a few decades with you. It's 1977 to be exact, when the US government rolled out the official nutritional guidelines. We were told they were designed to fight heart disease. They told us to cut back on saturated fat, eat more grains, avoid red meat, and replace natural fats with heart-healthy vegetable oils. Well, here we are, almost 50 years later, and how did that work out? Did heart disease disappear? Nope. It's still the #1 killer in the world. But what else did we get along the way? Type 2 diabetes, skyrocketing in adults and kids. Obesity, off the charts, now affecting over 40% of Americans. Mental illness, rampant, with depression, anxiety, and brain fog becoming normalized. Autoimmune diseases, things our grandparents never even heard of. And metabolic disorders in people as young as 10 years old. The guidelines didn't fix anything. They created a new epidemic, one built on bad science, bad advice, and big money. They told us to eat grains. We got sick. Base your meals on whole grains, they said. Eat 6 to 11 servings of bread, rice, cereal, and pasta a day, they said. That turned into blood sugar spikes, insulin resistance, and fat storage on overdrive. Then they said cut out butter and use vegetable oils instead. So we replaced nourishing animal fats with canola oil, soybean oil, corn oils, highly inflammatory oxidized seed oils that damage cells and arteries. And let's not forget, they demonized meat, one of the most complete nutrient-dense foods we've ever had, and told us to replace it with low-fat, high-carb frankenfoods, all in the name of health. What came next? A sick care system. The result? We didn't become healthier, we became dependent on medications, on quick fixes, on antidepressants, statins, metformin, insulin, blood pressure meds. We built an entire sick care industry, not a healthcare system. And the worst part is people still trust the guidelines, even though the proof is in the pudding, or rather the pudding cups and low-fat yogurts that helped us get here. The solution has always been simple. We don't need guidelines built in a boardroom. We need real food, the food our ancestors thrived on. Meat, fish, eggs, salt, water. That's it. When you eat the food your body was designed to eat, your inflammation drops. Your insulin normalizes. Your brain lights up. Your fat burns cleanly. And your risk for all these modern diseases plummets. No guessing, no tracking, no gimmicks, just truth. The guidelines failed us, period. They just did. They promised a solution and gave us more problems. Heart disease did not go away. It was joined by a whole army of new conditions. It's time to stop listening to what made us sick and start listening to what actually makes us well. That's what this carnivore way of life is about. Reclaiming what was stolen, rebuilding what was broken. Because the real guidelines, they're written in your DNA. And your body already knows what it needs. You've got this, so stay the course. Share this with somebody you think it can benefit. Click the thumbs up if you like my video. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Thank you for watching and have a good day.